Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. As you know that this is my sixth lecture about novel The Prisoner of Zindal. Now I tell you what happened ahead. In the sixth my lecture, I tell you the real thing or imposter thing. In my previous lecture, I have been told you that Mr. Razendal and Seth, when they were going towards Shooting Lodge and they buried Joseph, their loyal servant of real king Rodolfo Alpo, and they were coming towards Ruritania Strelsa, the capital. In a mid, there was a fight started among the Michael and his personal bodyguard, Razendal and Seth. After all, Razendal and Seth become safe and reach Ruritania before 9 o'clock. It's a system of Ruritania and they manage whole Ruritania. What is the philosophy behind of this chapter? The real thing or the imposter thing or the fair cousin and dark brother? These are all title of this novel. That why is an imposter king who played a role? All-time imposter. Why his whole secrecy was not disclosed? I will tell you. After all, Michael was the only person. I have written here Michael and three people. Michael was the only person that was in blinded. He was in doubt. He was uncertain that he is not a real king. In that time, Phyllis reported that there is one suggestion by the three foreigners who are in Ruritania, and they are telling them that the real king is kidnapped. Now the thing becomes certain that the real king is kidnapped by Michael and his personal bodyguard. There are three foreigners and three Ruritanian. My dear student, now I am telling you that three foreigners, Digotit, Barsonan and Detjor. These people are foreigners. They are in Ruritania. And the three people, they are guardian, who have kidnapped the real king, who was in Zenda, you say Rapadahantazau and Rapadahantazau and two others I will tell you. Maybe getting less. Okay. Now Michael wants to check who's the imposter king. He has a doubt that he is not a real king. There are documents signed, and he wants to check the sign, signatory. So he has given a documents, but it was a good luck by Razendal, who's the imposter king. He got a slight injury. You know why I has written this word, a slight injury? Because when the Michael and Seth, they were coming towards Ruritania, in a mid there the fight started, and from in that time Mr. Razendal has got an injury. His finger was bruised, his finger was injured. So it was a base luck by Razendal that he shows that my finger is bruised, I am not able to sign. So there were Marshal Storkins who put the sign that he was chief of Ruritania. Please, my dear student, now I tell you something ahead. Now it became a deadlock between two sides. Why I am calling that there is a deadlock between two sides? Because neither Michael has any power to disclose the man who's the impostor or the crown king. He is not a real king. If he disclose, he should be proved that he is a criminal and he should be captured by the people of Ruritania, and maybe his own personality will be damaged. In this way, he has no such a way to tell. Nor the people of Ruritania, except the first and Razendal, has any vision to disclose that I am impostor, because of the nation would not like this types act in this. So there's a deadlock between two sides. Neither Michael has any power to disclose or not Razendal has. Now in this way, Razendal has maintained Ruritania so well with pomp and show. My dear student, I tell you, now the popularity enhances, now the fame enhances, Now the popularity spread of Rosendal. Everyone has the opinion to meet Mr. Rosendal. I'm saying the Crown King. So there's one invitation by Princess Flavia. She wants to see, Mr. Crown King in her palace. Now the Majesty, the Rosendal, is moving towards Ruritania, the palace of Princess Flavia. There were earnest meeting, my dear student. I will tell you, there is an earnest meeting between Flavia, Michael, and his three foreigners. These all wants to check that he is a real king or a crown king. So, my dear student, I tell you, when Mr. Rosendal, as a crown king, he went to palace, so he meet Flavia, and in that time, the Flavia becomes so much emotional. She become very much upset, and she has told that, oh Rosendal, I am very much upset. How you got injury? I am very much shocked, and she shows emotions and their love and their sympathy, and because she was the only lady that is very sincere, very devoted with nation as well cousin. She is getting cousin, Rudolf Rosendal, she is getting as a cousin who is a crown king. Now he is a majesty for all the Ruritanian people. Okay, then she met. And that time Mr. Michael wants to meet Rosendal, and he has mentioned the request that my people wants to meet you. So in that time, I give you one climax, my dear student. You must understand. I give you one climax. Emotions are not bound. Love is not bound. When people love to any person, he must be caring, he must be very sympathized, he must be very loyalful, he must be very sincere, and he will think only about her beloved. So the Flavia. In that time, when the Michael was looking towards Rosendal, when the Flavia and Rosendal were in one room and they were meeting to each other and they were talking about the romantical act, romantical things and emotions. So Michael was very jealous. Michael is a jealous person in this novel, as you know that. He is not sincere with any person, even not sincere with Flavia, but he only wants to get the throne and he wants to become a king of this Ruritania. So my dear student, in that time, Flavia says, please don't meet to anyone. I want to pass a time with you, shows my emotions. And they have discussed a lot and share many emotional things, some sentimental things, sentimental shows their catharsis and some emotions. We always see on the face of hero or heroine when they show their emotion. In that time, three people, they were earnestly wants to meet Rosendal, the crown king. One was Digote, and other Barsonan and Tetchow. One by one, and they meet and Rosendal meet them and never show that I am Foster king. But the meeting going well, fantastic, and nobody understand because it was all guidance by Sept and Frizz. They all guided how to meet the people, how to handshake, how to wave, and it was all well done. My dear student, now the question is, the career king or imposter king? The imposter king, Rudolf Rosendal, really is imposter, but he played so fantastic, and he never mentioned, he never shows any type of, any simple little mistake, but he proved himself that I am imposter. Now the question is, now it become reliable to everyone, the people of Michael or the Sept Frizz Rosendal, they make sure that Rosendal is the real king. Rosendal is a real king. Nobody has mentioned that while Michael was known, Michael and his personal bodyguard were known that Rosendal is not a real king, but it became very sure. They all make certain that Rosendal is a real king. So dear student, so this was the real king and imposter king, and the slight injury saved Rosendal. It was a good luck. I am saying, I always repeat my word, that Mr. Rosendal got injury, which is the bullets touched to the finger of Rosendal, whom he was getting a sign, he was putting the sign in the documents. It was a good luck, the three foreigners and the three Ruritanians. the three were in Ruritania in the palace of Princess Flavia. They all were very earnestly, passionately to meet Rosendal. They want to know that who is this person who become a crown king. And already the report of Hantazau and some others, Leningram and Krafstein, I remember the Leningram, Krafstein and report of Hantazau. These are the Ruritanian people, and they are the guardian of the real king who was kidnapped by Michael and his personal bodyguard. So this was the lecture. I hope, my dear student, you all understand well that the real king or the impostor king is a real king who maintain with pomp and show, and he feels as a duty to save the real king who's a kidnapped, to save the real king who's a kidnapped is an impostor. He shows his duty, and in other way he's very bound with love. He was already in love with Princess Flavia. When the Flavia shows her reaction, shows her emotions with Rosendal, he became very much suffered in love. So, gentlemen, my students, you know that now the impostor became a real king. So it became a duty of all the people, belong the villainous people or some belong the heroes people. They all make sure that he is a real king. Inshallah, in my 7th lecture, I will tell you what happened in coming chapters. Then I will tell you some other different act, that how Rosendal played a role to save the Ruritania, its people, Flavia, and its country. Goodbye.